The Ford Ranger with spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether we are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading, it is safe to use high-quality truck with spacers. By enlarging the track width, this Ford wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. Proper-sized Ford Ranger with spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. Good hub central with spacers are designed for the racetrack that needs specific load requirements. BONOSS Forge active cooling with spacers come with multi-stage hub central rings. The hub central metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the beavers perfectly fit the corresponding hub flank. This design is effective in eliminating the vibration of wheels. These BONOSS Forge active cooling hub central with spacers are vehicle specific. This means they are made according to your vehicle specification, so you are worry-free about vibration issue. The safety of wheel spacers largely depend on their quality, fitting, and installation. If they are of low quality, improper fitted, or installed incorrectly, problems can arise while driving. Choosing the right wheel spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade. If you have any questions or need help selecting the perfect wheel spacer size, leave a comment below.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wheel spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!